Brooklyn. This is what I love about Brooklyn. It's a beautiful, beautiful block. Amazing block in Brooklyn. And as you can see, the flowers are just there. The homes are just so nice. So simple. I don't think people realize how beautiful Brooklyn really is. I don't think people understand that Brooklyn, it's just a vibe. This is, which part of Brooklyn is this now? This is down by I guess the Flatlands area. Well, it's the Flatbush area, right? Look at that. Just nice, beautiful houses. This is like probably part of Little Jamaica. But you're walking down the streets, you can hear the birds, you see the buildings, and if you look back, you see the tree line block. That's my friend. Yeah, it's like you can't go wrong. You can't go wrong in Brooklyn. Brooklyn's just a beautiful, beautiful place. You know, brownstones are just gorgeous. And these buildings probably been around since like 110 years, maybe even 150. Because they're the old style. Yeah, I cannot express to people how amazing some parts of New York City is. Like, a lot of people live in small towns and they see the big city on TV and they get scared. Oh, the big city's so scary. But I live here and I'm telling you, they got so much stuff happening in New York, in Brooklyn. We got, you know, everybody knows about the theaters, they know about the opera, but during the summertime in New York City, you have a whole bunch of events that are happening. You can just go to the New York City Parks and Recreation website. You see yoga in the park. You see dancing in the park where people try to teach you salsa dancing. They have rooftop movie nights. So there's always something happening in the city. And it's such a simple block, but it's so beautiful. I love it so much. So I hope you all enjoyed it as much as I enjoy it. So when people tell you about New York and that New York is a big old city, it's like a small town. And New York is outside of the Manhattan and the tall buildings. New York is like a whole bunch of small towns, you know? New York is a whole bunch of small towns. And this, for me, it's like a small town within a big city. So you gotta appreciate it. So if you come to New York, try to check out some of these blocks, try to check out some of these neighborhoods, and you won't go wrong.